From this video, we are going to explain how to complete the individual income tax return. Every resident and non-resident individual taxpayers should submit the income tax return form and statement of assets and liabilities starting from 1st April 2024 to 31st March 2025 based on his employment income, business income, investment income, and other income. According to the amended Act number 24 of 2023, e-filing return is mandatory. You may aware how to file the simplified individual income tax return. If you have employment income and interest income only, or if you want to submit a nil return, you can go with simplified tax return. If you have business income, rent income or other investment income or any other source of income, you have to file a standard return. If you work under an employer, other than that, if you are professionally practice and gain an income, then you have to submit a standard tax return. Let's look into how do we file the standard income tax return. Before filing income tax return, you will need to have taxpayer identification number, personal identification number, supporting documents such as T10 certificates, withholding tax certificates, and prepared financial statements. Please keep them scanned and saved in your device. How to file the individual income tax return? Type www.ird.gov.lk in your web browser. Now you will reach to the IRD website. Please select your preferred language. On the top navigation bar, you will find e-services and then select Access to e-services and then click on. Scroll down and then you will see individual taxpayer. Click that radio button and then click on Proceed to login. In there, you have to enter your TIN and PIN. Then enter the text exactly as it appeared in the top bar. Then click on Login. Please go to Return or Schedule Management. Then select Individual Income Tax. Now you can see the income tax returns you have already submitted in previous years and return to be submitted in future. Select 2024-2025 year of assessment and then click Proceed. Now you will find your income tax return. As we are discussing how to complete the standard income tax return, you have to tick the number 6 button, then click on Next. Then you will navigate to the standard income tax return. We can see main 4 parts in the return: income liable to tax, deductions from assessable income, calculation of tax payable, exempt or excluded income. You are not eligible to enter data into ash-colored boxes. You have to enter data to the schedules through the provided blue-colored hyperlink only. Once you enter data to the schedule, it will automatically populate into the relevant page. There are 10 schedules available in the income tax return. Schedule 1 is for the details of employment income from both local and foreign sources. Please enter data into cases 102, 103 and 104. You may refer T10 certificates given by employer. Then click on Add button. You can see those data are automatically come to the schedule. Likewise, enter details of terminal benefits and click Add. If you have an employment income which are under the category of exempt or excluded amounts, fill the relevant cage and press Add button. If you find any data that appeared in the relevant cage are not correct, please press Remove that data and add correct information. In the income tax return, Schedule 2, you have to include your business income. To enter data into business income, first you have to prepare financial statements. Please enter data in the highlighted part. Select relevant activity code relevant to your business. If you do not know the activity code, enter 6 zeros. Then enter nature of profits or gains from business. It must be entered into the cage number 203. Cage number 204A is for total business turnover from proprietorship. Once you enter the data, please click Add button. If you are a partner of any partnership, you should enter data in here. Once you enter data into relevant cages, you can see they are automatically come to the relevant schedule. Then enter beneficiaries' business income from trust. Enter exempt or excluded gains or profit in Part 2. Schedule 3 represent investment income. Please enter data in highlighted part, then click Add. In Part A, you have to enter investment income other than partnership or trust. Part B is for partners' investment income from partnership. Beneficiaries' investment income from trust must be entered in Part C. Please keep in mind both local and foreign sources income must be entered. If you have rent income, relief of 25% of total rent income must be entered in cage 316. If you have exempt or excluded gains and profit for investment income, please enter it. The other income other than declared above have to mention under the other income schedule. Please enter other income and click Add button. If you have qualifying payments, they are to be entered in the Schedule 5. You can claim the expenditure on solar panel fixed in your premises. The maximum limit is rupees 600,000. The balance amount will be carried forward. Likewise, expenditure on film industry can deduct as qualifying payment. Please enter final withholding tax under Schedule 6. Withholding tax deducted by withholding tax agent must be entered into the Schedule 7. For tax calculations, you have to use Schedule 8. Please enter tax credits such as foreign tax credit, APIT paid at source, withholding tax credit in Schedule 9. You can use Schedule 9A and 9B for partners' share of partnership tax and installment payments and withholding tax paid by withholdee. Please enter them in each schedule separately. You have to enter any loss incurred in Schedule 10. You have to submit statement of assets and liabilities along with the income tax return. In Part 1 of the Statement of Assets and Liabilities, please mention movable and immovable assets situated in or outside Sri Lanka, properties held as part of business, and liabilities as at 31st March 2025. If you have assets acquired or gift received during the year or any disposal of assets, please mention them in part 2. At the end, you have to complete the declaration form. Now you can be able to view all what you have declared in the confirmation. All the information you entered can be able to see. Please ensure they are accurate. In this stage, you can print this page or save it as a PDF document before submit the return. Keep in mind that after submission of your return, you are not allowed to view, print or edit. Now you can upload supporting documents such as T10 certificates, financial statement of business income, withholding tax certificates. Click the document you are going to upload, select the document to attach and press Save. Please ensure the document type and sub-document type are selected correctly. Then you can submit your return. Thank you.